Trying to remember how to name the piano keys? Well, it might be keesier than you think. How do we put all the notes from a staff to our piano keys? You may be tempted to write the note names on your keys or put stickers on them. While this may help for a little while, we don't advise you to keep them on there for very long. Imagine if you were typing out a crazy novel on a computer and you had to look down at your fingers to find every letter. You'd lose your train of thought, your flow. Same goes for music. You want to memorize the keys as soon as you can. Let's take a look at all these keys. Technically, there are 88 of them, some white, some black. It may be a bit overwhelming, but really it's only 12 keys. And then 12 of the same keys, only higher. If you look closer, you'll see patterns. 2 black keys, 3 black keys, 2 black keys, 3 black keys, and it continues. This will help you identify the names of each key. Let's say these 2 is the doghouse, and inside lives the dog. D for dog. In front of the doghouse lives the cat. And behind the doghouse lives your friendly neighborhood elephant. Cat, dog, elephant. C, D, E. Now the 3 black keys are a slightly bigger house, Grandma's house. We have the front yard, Grandma's room, Aunt Annie's bedroom, and the backyard. F, G, A, B. Notice, instead of continuing from G to H, we start the alphabet over again, G to A. That's because there are only 7 notes in a major scale. So we only go from A to G, and then we start over. You may have noticed I left out some black keys, because I left out all of them. So here's a rundown. All the white keys are just alphabet letter names, A through G. All black keys will be an alphabet letter name plus a sharp or a flat, because they are a half step away from a white key. A flat is a half step below, and A sharp is a half step above. Keep in mind that this is low and this is high. All right, let's go back to Grandma's house. This is G, so this is G flat. This is G, right? So this is G sharp. This is A, so this is A flat, and this is A sharp. You may think, wait, we just called that G sharp. It's true. This piano note can have 2 names, and which name it is depends on the context of the music. So stay sharp. Also, a white key can be a flat or a sharp. There are black keys in between all of these white keys, except here and here. So if I want to make the front yard of Grandma's house flat, I'd go here and call it F flat. If I want to make the elephant sharp, I'd go here and call it E sharp. Try finding all the E sharps on the piano. Can you make your own way to remember all the notes on the keyboard? Comment below with your invention. We're making new tutorials and videos every week at Hoffman Academy, so subscribe for more. Happy practicing! And I hope these tips helped you put your mind at keys.